Hi, this is Pam from the Hooked on Sewing. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you the proper way to wind your sewing machine bobbin. Let's take a look. So grab your sewing machine, an empty bobbin, a spool of thread, and let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is to load your spool of thread onto the spool pin, and then put the cap on the top, which will securely hold your spool of thread in place. Then you will take the loose end of the thread and you're going to feed it through the thread guide. This is the thread guide on my sewing machine. I like to hold it in both hands, feed it through the guide, and then kind of pull it back and forth to make sure it's down where it needs to be in the guide. And then take the end of the thread, grab your empty bobbin, and your bobbin, I use a size J bobbin in my sewing machine, should have a hole in it. You'll take the thread and feed it from inside the bobbin out towards the top of the bobbin through that small hole. So again, you'll pass the thread through the small hole from the inside of the rim of the bobbin. And then you will place that bobbin onto the bobbin pin. And on my sewing machine, you actually turn the bobbin clockwise until you hear it and feel it click into place, and then you know the bobbin is securely set. And then you simply slide the bobbin pin, that whole assembly, to the right until it snaps and stops in place. Then holding on to the end of the thread that you fed through this small hole in the bobbin, you will begin to sew, and you want to sew at the fastest or highest speed on your sewing machine. I like to stop and trim off that thread, but you can certainly hold it to the end until it's finished winding. But I'm trimming off that thread, and then I will press my presser foot and it will continue to wind. My sewing machine will stop automatically once it is full, once the bobbin is full. Then you'll take the thread and either trim it with scissors, or if you have a thread trimmer on your machine, use that. Then you slide the bobbin holder to the left and then lift up to pull off your wound bobbin off the pin holder. And there you can see I have a fully wound bobbin of thread. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please visit me over on Hooked on Sewing. Thank you.